I welcome you to my YouTube channel Bring Out English. I am going to teach you how to write an informal letter. Informal letter means letters to our friends and relatives. It is our private conversation with them. In the modern digital world, we have almost stopped writing letters to our friends and relatives. And here, I am also not going to ask you to start writing letters to your dear ones. It is totally your own decision to make. But it is a fact that these private letters would help you to develop your writing skills. Imagine, how would you feel when any friend from your past send you a letter neatly written in his handwriting instead of calling you on your cell phone or sending you messages on your WhatsApp? Don't you think it would be thrilling nowadays receiving letters from a postman and reading it? Let us come to the point. In this video, writing informal letters will be taught with the help of 4 sample informal letters. You need to see the video attentively and be sure you will gain confidence, and writing informal letters will be your cup of tea. So let us see this first sample answer. The question for this answer will be: write a letter to your younger brother advising him to study hard. Informal letters have a fixed format which should be followed. Here you can see that first I have written an address. Whose address is this? This address is of the writer or sender. So if you are writing a letter to your any friend or relative, you will write your own address. Never write the address of the receiver of the letter. After your address, leave one line of space and write date. Again, after writing date, leave one line of space and write salutation. For example, dear brother, my dear friends, dear father, etc. Depends on who you are writing your letter to. Here the letter is being written to brother, so I have written salutation as my dear brother. After this salutation, do not leave any space and start writing body or main part of the letter. Let us read this main part and try to understand the language and tone of an informal letter. My dear brother, I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health. I am writing this letter to make you understand the importance of education. Study. I talked to your class teacher regarding your study and your performance in the class. It made me unhappy to know that you are not serious about your studies. Your performance is also not up to a satisfactory level. If this continues, you are going to destroy your own life. More to say, you will waste all the money which father is spending on your studies. You see, education is an important aspect that plays a vital role in our life. People need education to survive in this competitive world. If you are educated, you can get a good job and make father proud. You will be able to fulfill the basic needs and requirements of the family. So my dear brother, please do hard work and bring your education on track. Nothing is impossible. You have the capacity to perform better. All you need is to be focused and study regularly. I am always with you. At last, I would like to remind you that education is the most powerful means to make all your dreams come true. Please don't disappoint me ever with your poor performance in any field of your life. See you soon. With best wishes, yours lovingly, Ramesh. So, if we sum up the whole thing, we can find that an informal letter has following elements. Let us see the format of an informal letter. All the informal letters will follow this format. First of all, address of the writer is written. After that, date is mentioned. After date, salutation, like my dear father, my dear friend. Then main part of the letter can be divided into three parts. That is opening of the letter, body of the letter, closing of the letter. And at last, you write your name. And before writing your name, you use yours lovingly, your son, your friend, etc., depending upon who you are writing this letter to. Let us come to the second sample informal letter, and the question for this sample answer is, write a letter to your father regarding how you propose to spend the money you received from him. See, I have written my address as I am the writer of this letter. After that, I have written date, and after date, I have written salutation, that is my dear father. And the main part of the letter goes like this: my dear father, I am fine and hope that you would also be going on well. Thank you very much for the money you sent for me recently. Actually, I needed this money urgently. I am writing this letter to tell you how I am going to spend this money. So be assured, as this money will never be wasted on useless things. First of all, I will clear the school fee for the recent month. I will also pay the tuition fee of my science teacher. Here I would like to share an information with you. My school teachers of different subjects have prescribed some additional books for the better practice for the upcoming examination. So I shall also be spending some amount of money on buying these books. I will spend rest amount of money on buying a second-hand cycle. It will save my time as my tuition classes are conducted 5 kilometers away from my hostel. So this is my whole plan of spending the money you sent for me. Rest is all right. Hope to see you soon. With regards, your son, Mohan. In the opening of the body or main part of an informal letter, you can use any of the following expressions. You can start your letter by writing, I am fine and hope you would also be doing well. Second one, you can start your letter with, thank you very much for your last letter. But this will be used only if you have received any letter from the person who you are writing this letter to. You can also use, it's been a while since I have heard from you. Another expression, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am also fine here. Next, I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health. And you can also use in the opening of your letter this expression, how are you? I am very well. You are supposed to use any one of these expressions to open your informal letter. Now, let us talk about the end of your letter. That is closing of an informal letter. You can use the following expressions. You can end your letter by writing, "Write back soon, I am really looking forward to hearing you." You can also use "See you soon." Then we have another expression, "Waiting to meet you soon." Another one is "With best wishes." One more expression is "Take care." And you can also use "Hope to see you soon." Here again, I advise you to use any one of these expressions to end your informal letter. Let us talk about what to write in the body of an informal letter. You will have a little bit of discipline here. If you want to write this body part of the letter easily, follow the following steps. First of all, ask yourself, to who are you writing this letter? Why are you writing this letter? And what are the topics or talks are you going to share with the person you are writing this letter to? Now start answering these above questions. Plan what you have to write. Make a list of topics as a rough work for your letter. Write your things systematically. When you start writing something, you must finish it before jumping on to the next point. This will help the reader to understand your matter easily. I also advise you to first write notes on each of the topics you have decided to write in your letter. This you will do as a rough work. Include these short notes when you write your letter in actual. Let us see our third informal letter at this point of our discussion. So the question for this sample answer is, write a letter to your uncle describing any educational trip. We will start the letter with our address. After that, write date and then salutation. The letter goes like this. My dear uncle, thank you for your last letter. I always enjoy reading your letters. I am happy to know that you are doing well. I am writing to tell you about the exciting educational trip to Puri. Actually, my school organized this trip last week. We were 50 students along with 5 of our teachers. We boarded the Tapaswani Express at Hatia railway station. Throughout the journey, I enjoyed a lot as I was with my school friends. We reached Puri in the morning. We checked in a hotel. After half an hour, we all requested our teachers to take us to the sea beach. We were too much excited to know how does the sea look in real. And when we reached the golden beach of Puri, our joy knew no bounds. We were totally mesmerized to see the vast spread of the sea. The teachers told us that Puri is situated on the Bay of Bengal. We were ecstatic. We straightly went into the water and made a lot of fun in the unceasing waves of the Bay of Bengal. Next morning, we all went to the famous Jagannath temple of 10th century. We offered our prayers there. You know, Jagannath, Balbhadra and Subhadra are a trio of deities worshipped at the temple. A guide told us stories of the temple. After that, we visited several places over there. One of the famous places we visited was Chilka Lake. But I will tell you more about the famous tourist places near Puri in my next letter. It was a trip which I shall never forget in my life. Rest is all right. With regards. Take care. Yours lovingly, Prem. Now, here you should remember that you are learning how to write an informal letter. In the beginning of your learning, write the same letter for 3 to 4 times. You will find that every time your writing improves. If you do it for sometimes, you will gradually get your command over your English writing. And at last, I give you fourth sample answer of an informal letter. The question for this sample answer is: write a letter to your friend inviting him to spend vacation with you. And as you can see, I have followed the same format of an informal letter which I have taught you. First of all, I have written the address, then date, and I started the letter with salutation. The letter goes like this: my dear friend, thank you very much for your last letter, and I am happy that your summer vacation is going to start from the next month. You know, we haven't met for the last several years. We were friends in the previous school where we studied together for 4 years. So I have a very nice proposal for you. As summer vacation is to begin, I invite you to come and spend this vacation with me at my place in Shimla. Clear blue sky, attractive weather, and countless tourist arrival makes this place not less than a paradise on earth. There are so many beautiful places here. The major market street of Shimla, the mall road is full of visitors during the summer season. Come and enjoy the beauty of this hill station. I will give you a tour to this beautiful place. It will be good to relive the old times. Talk about the present and plan for the future. You will also get to see 3 more of our friends from the old times. I have also invited them, and they all are ready to enjoy this get-together meeting. I do hope you can come. Write back soon. I am really looking forward to hearing you. With love, yours friendly, Rohan. You can pause the videos and note down these letters in your notebook. Follow these 4 sample informal letters in the beginning, and then go on experimenting with new ways to express your ideas to your relatives through informal letters. With this, I end this video on informal letter. Feel free to comment on this video in the comment box, and keep watching my channel Bring Out English for self-enlightenment. Thank you. See you in my next video soon.